This is an interesting video and is receiving attention from the online community. The male kestrel brought a live great tit for lunch, but to everyone's surprise, the female did not eat it. Instead, she stored the great tit nestling to eat later. However, when she returned, she discovered that the great tit was still alive. Without hesitation, the female took the great tit and placed it next to her newly hatched kestrel nestlings. The male kestrel then brought another live great tit, and this time the female placed it directly with the other nestlings. As a result, there were now 2 great tit nestlings alongside 3 kestrel nestlings. It was a curious sight, leaving many wondering if the female kestrel had adopted her prey. She seemed to be trying to feed the great tit nestlings, but it was unclear if they were getting any food. The mother kestrel brooded all the babies, and the great tit nestlings looked to her for food. Unfortunately, the newly hatched kestrel nestlings were too large and dominant, leaving no prey for the great tit nestlings. As a result, they slowly began to starve, and without food, they eventually died. The next morning, the mother kestrel found that the first great tit nestling had died. She took it and ate it. Later that day, the second great tit also died, and the mother kestrel placed it in the corner. Then she collected both dead great tits and fed them to the nestlings. It seemed like the mother kestrel was trying to raise the great tit nestlings, but they were too small to compete with the young kestrels. In the end, both great tit nestlings died, and the mother kestrel continued to care for her own young. Nature can be both fantastic and surprising, and this unusual situation certainly captured the attention of many.